Good afternoon. How to repair a broken brake on a transit wheelchair. If the brake is broken on a transit wheelchair, whether it be the left one or the right one, these can be easily replaced and fixed by removing this here, which is the cable holder, 10mm spanner and Allen key on the rear, an Allen key on the top, and then slide this brake block out from its holder. Once you've done that, you can replace the brake block, ensuring that it's lined up to the rear. Do up the two screws on the top, replace the cable holder, making sure that it's adjusted and clear of the wheel so that the brake operates from both the hand lever at the top and also at the bottom.